is found in people. People who use their talent for the common good. Those who make us see things differently. Those who don't forget what really matters. It helps us to be happy, to make our daily lives better, to change when everything around us changes. Adapting, growing, evolving with new tools, with new objectives, with the power of diversity, because we work so that every person and organization meets their goals. In the age of digitalization, ideas, machines and products are all part of an interconnected process. Technology helps us to innovate and improve, to change the world. Creating new business models, new companies, new services which are quicker, more efficient, more flexible. All with one goal, a better world for everyone. Making sure that the future is worth it. Which is why even the smallest gesture brings great value. People, future, value. Ibermática.